Hello everyone, welcome on GK Talks. You can find educational videos on my channel, and here I am with new educational video, and the topic which we are going to discuss in this video is clauses. In this video we'll discuss about what are clauses and kinds of subordinate clauses, and little bit we'll talk about finite verb. So let's begin. Now first of all, let's talk about clauses. What are clauses? A clause is a group of words that forms part of sentence and has a subject and a finite verb of its own. Now here you have heard a word finite word. What are finite verb? First of all, let's talk about this. A finite verb is limited by the person and number of a subject. Okay, a clause is a group of words that form part of sentence and has a subject and a finite verb of its own. In simple language, we can say a clause is a sentence within a sentence. For example, I know that it is true. Tell me where you go. So here I am dividing these two sentences in part 1 and part 2. Like I know is the part 1 and that it is true is the part 2 of the sentence. Next sentence, tell me is the part 1 and where you go is the part 2 of the sentence. Part 1 sentences does not depend on part 2, but part 2 depends upon part 1 to give its complete sense. Okay, part 1 is independent and therefore called an independent or main or principal clause, and part 2 is called subordinate or dependent clause. Now let's move forward with the kind of subordinate clauses. There are 3 kinds of subordinate clauses. Number 1, noun clause. Number 2, adverbial clause, and number 3, adjective clause. First, noun clause. Noun clause in a sentence does the function of a noun. It functions as subject to a verb, object to a verb, complement to a verb, object to a preposition, and case of apposition. Now here you are hearing a word apposition. What is that? What does it mean, opposition? So opposition is a grammatical construction in which 2 elements, normally noun phrases, are placed side by side. See the examples. What you say is true. I don't know about what you plan. A noun clause is generally introduced by that and question words such as why, what, how, etc. Next clause, adverbial clause. Adverbial clause in a sentence does the function of an adverb. See the examples. He got good marks because he was sincere. Or they left the purse where they found it. Let's move to the next clause, adjective clause. In a sentence, adjective clause in a sentence does the function of an adjective. See the examples. This is the car that I bought. Or this is the man who gave me money. So these are the clauses and the types of subordinate clauses, and I hope this explanation will be helpful for you to understand the different types of clauses and what the clauses are. You can check my other videos related to English grammar, grade 7 and 8. I hope you will like all that videos too. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.